Prior to VETRO, we used Google Earth to do a lot of our designs. We used Excel spreadsheets. We used Visio to do our splice diagrams. And one of the things that I personally would do is print out those Visio diagrams, put them with the splice cases to give to our splicers who would go out there and then follow that paper diagram. Now with VETRO, suddenly it's all in the system. The splicers just have a laptop in their truck. They open it up and there's all the data that they need. And if it's a different person who's doing the work than we thought, the data's all right there. Having all of that data together in that one platform, definitely it's obvious the ease that it creates versus having paper printouts in this office and we're doing a build in a completely separate state. It's a nightmare doing it the old way.